when clients come to me or they're interested in doing some group work or their individual work, they kind of have a rough idea about their childhood trauma, or they know that they want to explore it and they know that something was up. But most of them struggle with connecting the dots between what it was like for them in terms of development, how their childhood trauma was as messy as it actually was, and how that relates to present problems. So I've developed this course using my mentor Amanda Curtin's Children's Bill of Rights to help people spell out those concepts. You might be seeing an individual therapist, you might be reading some self-help books, but the common stuck place is, what does it all mean, and where is my roadmap for knowing what went wrong, how it's still going on, and how I fix it. The Children's Bill of Rights is these 10 concepts and points that I go over in a 35-minute video, and it's accompanied by a PDF to help people do some writing to spell out some concepts. For example, like a child's right to affect somebody, that a child's right to impact their parents, or their parents can take action on their behalf, or that simply that we're seen. And relating that to things like struggling with when somebody does something nice for you because we didn't affect someone in childhood, and in the present, that's pretty foreign to us. So as you go through the video, you start writing and you start exploring in your own sort of childhood and what it means, and relating that from a both past perspective and a present-based perspective. And what people get out of it is it's some emotional processing, and it's some clarity that people may not really be getting from general talk therapy or their own reading or their own exploring with a self-help book. So I can't recommend it enough. It's available on my website, Patrick Teahan. Therapy.com, and it's a simple buy and click, takes you right there, and you download the PDF and you download the video. I hope it's helpful to you guys.